Wait, you let it go right there so they can see how it bumps. No, no. Let it go right there so they can see what happens when it bumps into something. Got them sensors on it. So y'all, when I tell y'all this vacuum so good, and you can even use it on a hardwood floor. And you can control it with a remote control too. So if you don't want it, like that's what's happening now. My husband's controlling it. But you can just let it go automatically and it will just vacuum. You can just turn it on, leave, go out the room or whatever. Let it go on its own, baby. So watch. I need to turn the light on in here. Turn that light on. So see, I was trying to go up the carpet, so it can't go up that. So it's gonna turn around, look, but until it can get it. Well, now it's going out the room. Let's see where it goes. Close this door. See? So we are just following this robot back. They press the home key. So see how I was getting the corner now? Did you press the home key? Huh? It's still in here. It can't be looking for home in here. I'll press it. So if you don't have the remote, look. So now it's in home mode. So now it needs to find the base to the home. So it's in there, but the base is not in here. So here's actually my game room that I've started. So a lot of times you just want to give it some help. Look, I'll turn it and I'll be like, okay, let's go back this way. Or if it's taking too long, look, I'll pick it up because I do have it kind of far from the base. So I'll bring it in the room.
It didn't turn?
It was turning, but it was like, I think we had it too far out. It's all right. So now, see, the base is over there. So I'll press the home key on here. So now it's home. See? And where's the remote? The remote for it? Here's the remote. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that video.